Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Deno Runtime on Windows. So first thing to do would be to go to deno.land website, and here you can see they have this installation instructions that you can also follow. Okay, for Mac and Linux you can also install it with curl. In case of Windows you have option to install through PowerShell, then this chocolatey installer and scoop installer. Okay, if you go to official website of chocolatey, they also mention the steps regarding what to run choco install Deno. Okay, if you don't know how to do this with chocolatey or through scoop, then just follow along with this PowerShell method. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Windows PowerShell. Okay, this is new terminal app from Microsoft, and here you can simply copy this line. Okay, open your terminal and simply paste it. Make sure that you are running this in PowerShell. Okay, simply hit enter and that should install Deno Runtime on your Windows. Okay, this is the most simplest step. Apart from that, if you already have Choco installed, as you can see there is a step for Choco. So Choco install Deno, simply type in that. Okay, and if you have scoop, then you can simply use their step, scoop install Deno. Okay, apart from that there are also other methods, like on this releases page, you can open that. Okay, now here you see release page has zip files for respective operating system. So in case of Windows you have this PC Windows MSVC zip, which you can download and extract. So basically if you go through this method, you will have to give the path to that directory in your system path. Okay, so that's why PowerShell method and scoop or choco method is much easier. Okay? Either way you will be able to run Deno on your system. So after you install it, simply use Deno --version, hit enter, and if you get this return message that shows version of Deno, V8 engine, TypeScript, then you have Deno installed on your system. Okay, so what we have seen so far is multiple methods of installing Deno Runtime on Windows. Basically we are using PowerShell method as it is a lot easier and quicker as well. Okay, if you have chocolatey installed, go through that method, or scoop, then you can use scoop install Deno as well. For those who have Rust installed, they can also use cargo install Deno. So you get the idea how to install Deno Runtime on Windows.